Hello, Prasanna. First of all, I don't want to give you a farewell because your friendship will always be there with me. Thank you, dear, for all the love, care, support, and understanding rendered to me in your tenure. May God bless you and your family with good health, wealth, peace, happiness, and prosperity. Convey our love and regards to Arjun, Anandu, who were my students. God bless them, give them good health and a very good job. My regards and best wishes to Mr. Mohan brother. Wish you best of luck, dear. Always be happy, be smiling. Now I am sending a beautiful song which you always liked it. Hope you enjoy the song. Stay blessed, stay home, stay safe. Bye, dear.
Hello Prasanna ma'am. From where should I start? I don't know. But you are very hardworking, caring, and very sweet person. Really, I am going to miss you. I have learned a lot from you, working with you over the years. Thank you for your support and encouragement. And really, we are going to miss your food also. I learned many things from you when I was in KG with you. Your presence will continue to have an impact on me moving forward. I'll miss your support. Your work inspired me to be my best every day. I look forward to keep you in the touch. Best wishes for you and your family for the future. Take care of your health first. All the very best. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Hi Prasanna ma'am. Every person identity is from his or her name. This opportunity I'd love to share my experience of Prasanna ma'am with beautiful meaning of her name. Prasanna, P, positive thinker, R, resourceful lady, A, good artist, S, smiling lady, A, active lady, then N, nature lover, another N, never giving up, and A, adorable. Ma'am, in addition to being a colleague, you have always been a good friend to many of us. Whenever we hear the Prasanna ma'am names, we always know that she is known for her good hard worker, dedication and a good answer. Ma'am, your innovative ideas have given fruitful results to our school. You always be in our heart, ma'am. I wish you a good luck and successful life for your future. Thank you, ma'am.
Dear Prasanna madam, you are always Prasanna only, mean very cheerful, as well as very active, even as 20. I would like to wish you in Sanskrit itself, Jeevane Shubhaha te pantanaha, Samasta Sammangalani Pantu, Shubham Bhuyat, Dhanyavadaha.
Hello, ma'am. Namaskar. I have learned many things from you, madam. Always we miss you, madam. All the best for your future. Thank you, madam.
आदरणीय प्रसन्ना मैडम जी, सप्रेम नमस्कार। इस हर्ष और विषाद की वेला में कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं अपने हृदय के विचार कैसे व्यक्त करूं। एक सखी, एक बड़ी बहन, एक कुशल सहकर्मी के रूप में आपने मेरे जीवन में अपनी स्नेहिल मुस्कान और मृदुल स्वभाव से अपना विशेष स्थान बना लिया है। विद्यालय का सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम हो या क्लब का, सभी जगह आपके साथ काम करके बहुत कुछ सीखा और जीवन का आनंद उठाया। आपके साथ बिताए हुए पल चिरस्मरणीय रहेंगे। मुझे वह समय हमेशा याद रहेगा जब मैं हॉस्पिटलाइज थी। आपने एक बड़ी बहन के रूप में अपना स्नेहिल और संबल दिया। ऐसी बहुत सी अनेक यादें हैं जो आपकी हमेशा याद दिलाती रहेंगी। मैं ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आप अपने परिवार के साथ प्रसन्न, स्वस्थ और सुखी रहें।
प्रसन्ना मैडम, नमस्कार। आपके बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं? आप स्कूल छोड़ के जा रहे, इसमें किसको कितना फील हो रहा है ये मैं नहीं बता सकता हूं, लेकिन मुझे बहुत फील हो रहा है, क्योंकि आप एक बड़े बहन की तरह मेरा हर सुख दुख में आप मेरे साथ दिए। हर प्रोग्राम में ऐसा कोई भी प्रोग्राम नहीं है जो जिसमें आप मुझे हेल्प नहीं किए। हर प्रोग्राम में आप सॉन्ग से लेकर कॉस्ट्यूम, कोरियोग्राफी, हर चीज मुझे बताते हैं, ऐसे करना, वो करना, ये करना। ये सब चीज मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता हूँ मैडम। बस इतना कहूँगा मैडम, आप जहाँ पे भी रहिए खुश रहिए और हमेशा मेरे दिल में रहेंगे आप। बस इतना मैं कहता हूँ और मैं कोशिश करता हूँ आपके लिए 2 लाइन वायोलिन में मैं प्ले करने के लिए। थोड़ा सुनिए। नमस्कार।
Hello Prasanna, how are you? I hope you are fine. We both have worked for a long period together. I found working with you, it was great experience and I felt very comfortable with you. Prasanna, you are very sportive and beautiful lady and also a good dancer. Always keep dancing. I wish best of luck for your journey ahead. We will miss you all, Prasanna. Keep in touch with us. Thank you.
Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe and healthy. Hello Prasanna madam, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe. Madam, we are here to just say thank you for being with us for these many years. I'm here to share my feelings towards you on behalf of our KG section. Madam, we'll be missing your presence in our school. We'll be missing your words in our KG section building. We'll be missing your footsteps in our building. We miss you and your presence in our school. That's it. We all love you, Prasanna madam. We all love you because you are so friendly. You're so lovely. You used to help us. You used to be with us. You used to have a joke with us. Your passion is just out of the blue. You're so passionate towards your work. Whatever work is given to you, you used to work around the clock. You used to strain each and every nerve of your body to complete the task given to you. And you had some new ideas and innovative ideas. You used to try a lot, and you used to teach us too. You had a burning desire towards your work, whatever you do, and your passion is just out of the blue, and there are no other words to speak about you. You're just down to earth. So we'll be missing you a lot, but please be in contact with us. Don't forget us, madam. And I have a quote with us, quote for you, Prasanna madam. That is, this is not a goodbye for you, madam. This is just to say thank you for being with us. Thank you for coming into our life and giving us joy. Thank you for loving all of us and receiving our love in return. Thank you for all the sweet memories which we'll be cherishing forever. Thank you, madam, for being with us for these many years. I wish all the best for your bright future. I wish all the best for the bright future of your children also. And please do convey our best wishes to Mohan Braya also. I hope you all will be healthy and safe. I wish you all happy, be healthy, and be safe. Keep in touch with us. Thank you.
प्रसन्ना, हमारे साथ में रहने वाली, तुम्हारे लिए मैं 4 लाइन कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ। प्रसन्ना, तुम जहाँ भी रहो खुश रहो, प्रसन्नचित्त रहो। न गम से कभी सामना हो तुम्हारा, न गम से कभी सामना हो तुम्हारा। खुशी के समंदर में गोते लगाना, खुशी के समंदर में गोते लगाना। बहुत पास आकर विदा कर रहे हैं, बहुत पास आकर विदा कर रहे हैं। कहीं दूर जाकर हमें ना भुलाना। रहना सदा खुश जीवन में अपने, मुबारक तुम्हें आसमां के सितारे। कभी जो अंधेरा कहीं पर भी घेरे, कभी जो अंधेरा कहीं पर भी घेरे, तो बनकर जुगनू वही टिमटिमाना, तो बनकर जुगनू वही टिमटिमाना। बहुत पास आकर हम विदा कर रहे हैं, कहीं दूर जाकर हमें ना बुलाना, कहीं दूर जाकर हमें ना बुलाना। प्रसन्ना, तुम जहाँ भी रहो खुश रहो, सुखी रहो और स्वस्थ रहो, यही कामना है हमारी। धन्यवाद।
Prasanna madam, hi, how are you? So I am Srinath Digikar. I always remember you and you are a smiling face, and we have seen your very beautiful dances also. So keep practice dance, okay? Don't stop that doing. And I wish all the best for our sir, this Mohan sir also, as he is also getting retired, okay? And I wish all the best for all your whole family, your children, and all of you, okay? Thank you. Stay blessed. Okay? Thank you.
Hi Prasanna, how are you? Hope you all are fine. It's unbelievable that you are living. I can't express my feelings. I wish you and your family a very good luck. Wishing you much joy and happiness as you begin a new chapter in your life. All the best, Prasanna. Take care. Bye.
Hi. It gives me immense pleasure to speak a few words about our beloved Prasanna. Prasanna, the name itself depicts how cheerful she is, how happy she is, a passionate lady, fun-loving lady, hardworking and honest. Prasanna, you are always a smiling lady. You always extend a hand of friendship to everyone. I've never seen you quarreling or just passing any comments over others. You're such a cheerful lady. We have been working together for years in this school. Not only in school, but also in our ladies club also, we were active members. We have worked together for competitions in the school, for celebrations, let it be either Independence Day, Republic Day, our school annual day. Everywhere you showed your excellence, you showed your talent, and you have proved yourself to be a very successful lady. Really, I feel sad at this moment that you are leaving us. But whatever it is, I hope take very good care of yourself. Be always happy and smiling and never sit at home alone. You can start a new journey in your life. So Prasanna, from the deep and bottom of my heart, we always love you.
Hello Prasanna, how are you? Hope you are doing well. You are the pillar of Aditya Birla Public School. My children got good foundation from you. Your sincerity, hard work and your smile adds to your beauty. During my tenure with you and with Aditya Birla Public School, never I have seen you speaking rashly and rudely with anyone. We enjoyed a lot while doing all the activities and the events together. So all the best for your new future of your retirement. All the best for your kids and keep in touch. My number is with Uma and thanks to the team, entire team for giving me an opportunity to participate in this event. Thank you. Bye.
Hello Prasanna, hope you are doing good. I am here, hope you have not forgotten me, to bid adieu to the family in a different way. We are all stuck due to the pandemic at homes, but still, in spite of all the hurdles, we would like to reach you and your family. Mr. Mohan has done a very dedicated service to the Ultratech Cements and he has completed his tenure in Ultratech. Please convey him that I have wished him all the best and all the peace and prosperity in the future life. Coming back to your kids, they are my students and are lovely kids. Convey lots of love and kudos to both the kids and lot of affection from us. Back to you, Prasanna. Your contribution to Ultratech Cements is memorable. You have done wonderful job with the Ultratech Cements. Maybe a dance, maybe a teaching, maybe any curricular co-holistic activities. You have done wonders. And your work is recognized and remembered forever by Ultratech Cements. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors and bid adieu with a heavy heart today to the family, but at the outset, it's a nature's go. So we wish you all the best to your future life and health and prosperity. Thank you, Prasanna. Bye. Take care.
Namaste, Prasanna Madam. I came to know that you are leaving the school as your husband is retired. Madam, you are a fantastic and good teacher for teaching small children, that is KG children. And you used to take more initiative for each and every activity of the ladies club also, which I have already seen. You used to prepare our school children, small kids and dramas on the stage. That also I have seen. Really, I pray God that give you more strength and energy to keep up yourself and healthy. Please convey my regards to your children and your husband also. All the best for you. Lastly, saying that a great teacher takes a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart. All the best to you.
Hi, dear Prasanna and my dear colleague friends. It feels very nice to communicate with you all after such a long time and after such a disaster. Yes, I was down with COVID in April, but by the grace of God and with your best wishes, I have recovered. I remember the day Prasanna came for an interview. She was so shy and hesitant to speak. But once she had joined the school, she has improved beautifully. She has come out, opened her personality. The children are very, very comfortable with her because of her motherly affection. She is a very hardworking, sincere and honest teacher. Today morning, she sent me a good morning message which says, be so busy in improving yourself that You do not have time to criticize others, and exactly that what she is. Her dance performances I never can forget. It is her specialty. She used to prepare children so well in group dance. My God, every year we won the prize, almost every year won the prize at the regional meets, and people used to wait for our dance performance. Hats off to Prasanna.